In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paper size in Google Docs. Changing the paper size is a simple tweak that can make your document look right for your region, your printer, or a specific assignment. It also helps avoid surprises like extra pages or cut off content when you go to print or export a PDF. Start by opening the Google Docs file you want to edit. You can launch it from your recent files or through your drive. Either way, make sure you have editing access to the document. Keep in mind that paper size is a document-wide setting, so the change will apply to the entire file, not just a single page. Once your document is open, look to the top left of the screen and click the File menu, then choose Page Setup. This opens a small window where you control foundational layout settings. If you've never visited this area before, don't worry. It's straightforward and safe to adjust. Inside the page setup window, find the paper size drop down. Click it to see a list of available options. You'll notice common standards such as letter, which is the default in many regions, A4, which is widely used internationally and in academic settings, legal for longer documents that need extra vertical space, and tabloid, which is larger and often used for posters or layouts that require more room. Pick the size that matches your needs and your printer's capabilities. As you choose, remember that the dimensions affect how text, images, and tables reflow. If your document has wide tables or images near the margins, a smaller page size may push content to the next page, and a larger size may pull content back. After selecting your preferred size, click OK to apply the change. You'll see the document reformat immediately. This may alter your page count and line breaks, which is normal. Take a quick scroll to confirm everything looks right and adjust spacing or element placement if needed. If you want every new document you create to start with this same paper size, set it as the default right in the page setup window. Click Set as Default first, then click OK. From now on, new documents will inherit that size automatically. You can always come back and change it again later. A few quick tips as you choose. Use A4 for most international and school documents, and use letter for US-based printing standards. Legal can help when you need extra length, and tabloid is handy for large format drafts or simple posters. That's it. With just a few clicks, your document is sized correctly and ready to share, print, or export.